Make a great choice today with the 2024 Toyota bZ4X. The Toyota bZ4X provides good range, a quiet ride, and plenty of zip when you need it. Couple that with quality technology and you have yourself a fun yet practical family SUV. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.